How to grow on YouTube in 2022? It's a really good question. You know, the whole month of January has passed already and we're into the first couple of weeks of February, and you know, maybe by this point you've gotten a lot of information or some hype tips from a lot of our favorite YouTubers on how we can be successful on YouTube in 2022 and what that looks like as far as where you can get your numbers, where you can get your views from. But maybe you're not getting some real honest advice from somebody who is low on the totem pole when it comes to views and notoriety on this platform, and that's kind of where I want to take today's short talk. I could sit here and give you the spiel about how numbers are important and paying attention to your post times and being consistent and having content that is relatable to the niche that you're trying to reach out to and all that kind of stuff, and that definitely has its place, and I've made some short videos around that. But when you boil it down, your success on YouTube has a lot to do with your commitment to not getting a lot of attention. Because the reality of it is, if you're a small YouTuber and you've got less than 1,000 subscribers and you're working on that daily grind of trying to get more videos out there for more people to see your stuff, you know, it's just slow growing for a lot of us and sometimes can be very discouraging. The questions that are possibly always circling through your head are, you know, do I sound right? Is the lighting okay? Do I have the right setup shot? Am I getting enough B-roll? Am I hitting all of the points that I want to hit? Is my opening punchy or not punchy enough? Am I asking people to subscribe? Am I remembering to ask them to hit that bell for notifications? Am I getting enough click banners in the videos? Am I doing enough with my music? Is my music licensed? All of the minutia of how you set up your videos and plan your videos and execute your videos, sometimes you can get lost in that junk and that jungle of things that you're trying to hit all the points to try to grow your channel in 2022, but maybe you're missing out on the real joy of making videos. For me, I'm sort of hitting a wall where it's like, what more can I make content about? And what I really have to remind myself of is sometimes making videos isn't always the thing that you want to do, or it feels stressful, it feels like a bigger thing than it should be. But to keep it fun and to keep your channel growing and to stay consistent, you have to have passion for what you're talking about. If you're making videos just to make videos and eventually get monetized and move towards that direction, or if you're doing it just to be popular or famous, it's gonna get really hard really fast, and maybe you sort of lose that hunger for making really good content. For me, it's realizing that I enjoy sharing information related to the things that I'm passionate about, and I'm gonna keep doing that week in and week out because that's what keeps me moving forward, and I think that's what's actually gonna help me grow in 2022. Growth for some people is really quick and it's really fast, and growth for other people is a lot slower, but in the long run, if you're paying attention to the process and you're enjoying the ride along the way, it doesn't matter how quickly you get there or how slowly it takes you to reach your goals. You can enjoy the process all the way through this entire year and see yourself mature and see yourself grow as a content creator and as an educator. So when you boil it down past all of the crazy details, how do you grow your channel in 2022? And the answer is purpose. If you know what your purpose is and you're focused on making videos for the right reasons, the growth will happen. How big of a growth that is irrelevant, because enjoying the process and having fun while you're doing it is really all that matters. The question you need to ask yourself is, why do you want to grow on YouTube? Is it because of selfish reasons or because you want to make a difference in the world? I think the answer to that question is really what's going to drive you to make that growth happen. Have a great 2022, and hopefully you guys will stick around for a lot more of what I have in store for you. See you in the next one.